Hi again, everybody. Welcome back. Tyler Chase here again. We're going to do another one of our guinea pig meal testing of an MRE.
It's a US MRE.
US MRE. This one is a chili and macaroni. We haven't opened it yet, so we don't really know what's all included in it. So guess what? It's going to be a surprise for everybody. We're going to cut this open.
Yep, we're going to open it up, try a little bit of everything that's inside.
It says here on the back, the pack date was 7/2016. The military inspection date was 7/2019, and best date by 3/2022. Hello, baby girl. Let go. So so versus January 2020.
Yep.
So we're right in the middle of that. We're gonna cut this open and see what we got.
Yeah,
Ready?
I'm curious what it all comes with.
So.
I've had a lot of just the individual, just the kind of like main course entree of MREs, but I don't know if I've gotten a full pack like this before.
It's the first full pack I've had.
So what are we looking at here?
Well, you're gonna have to read them.
So this is going to be our warming packet, our heating packet. So this is how we'll be cooking our entree.
Not quite sure how to take this because it says crackers, vegetable. So.
Are they crackers made of vegetables, or are they vegetable crackers, which I've never heard of?
Alright, this little fella has got matches.
Oh, nice.
Sure.
This is flameless.
Yeah. Lighthouse. That could be many things. Could be a napkin.
I think that's probably tinder if it came with matches.
I thought there was one that had tinder in it.
Isn't that napkin?
Here's sugar.
And moist towelette.
Moist towelette. Sugar.
Creamer.
Moist towelette. Creamer. Chiclets. Yes.
Yeah, it looks like a gum of some sort.
Or it could be a very poorly disguised fire starter.
Yeah. This is a hot beverage bag.
Hot beverage.
If you're wanting, I assume this is probably for making the coffee.
This is cheese spread with jalapeno.
So that sounds like it might go with our vegetable crackers.
Mm-hmm.
It's got me everything except the jalapeno. I don't want to heartburn while I'm surviving or fighting in a war.
Electrolyte carbohydrate beverage powder. Fruit punch. Ah. All thinking is about it.
Figure it came with
look,
one or two drinks in here.
Got a spoon for eating.
Hold on, and stirring.
And Skittles for snacking.
Oh, okay, so you just add the water right into the pouch and you just
Yeah,
shake it and drink it right out. This is marble pound cake.
Cool.
I kind of don't like that it says like fat free.
You mean the wrapper?
I hope.
Turkey nuggets.
Ooh, these are either going to be good or they're going to be dog treats.
This must be chili, as all it does have something on it. I was going to say, I can't read it.
Yeah, this is the last, so it's got to be our chili mag. Yep. All right, so that's it. So yeah,
We're gonna heat this
go ahead.
Up. This is going to heat
Start this. Where is the fine?
That's the heater.
Yeah.
Well. The water to the drink mix here. 33
Oh, let's pour some in. We'll shake it up, taste it. No, so why is it? Oh, we're tasting and then seeing if we need to.
Yeah.
For punch?
Yeah, it could be watered down more.
Yeah.
Well, it's got a very good flavor right now.
But it doesn't say to what,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's 12 ounces, which is a canteen cup. So what are we supposed to do with the turkey nuggets? Is that something we can eat cold, or is that something that's
I think everything here is just open and eat other than what we put in there. Yeah, no directions, so I think everything else is just open and eat.
Alright, so what do you want to do first?
So the turkey nuggets sound really curious to me.
Nope.
Ah, got it. Okay. So again, these are the turkey nuggets. Oh, look at that.
Bag in a bag in a bag?
Looks more like jerky, but it also kind of looks like prunes or plums. Smells like jerky.
And
Cheers.
wine?
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Cheers. I'm going to put it down as flavored brown stuff.
It's dense.
Very dense.
It's like meat rubber.
You couldn't tell me that was turkey. I mean, I would never know.
No. Yeah, this is
There could be a spicy brown prune. I wouldn't know. But definitely edible. Definitely a beef jerky type thing. What are these now? What are those up?
Well, I think these two go together.
Could be cheese and crackers. Yeah.
I would assume.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, good for two crackers. I think. Oh, this dish is delicious.
You know what? This kind of looks like cheese whiz, which I don't mind.
Frankly, it's fine. It's like cheese whiz.
Yeah. That's what I figured.
Mm-hmm.
Probably is a cheese whiz, just in a...
Mm-hmm. No rare.
Because cheese whiz lasts forever, so... I'll probably finish this off.
Yeah. It's not bad. I need the cracker bite. You need cheese.
Woo!
Peanut butter would be good.
That cheese does have a little kick, though.
Yeah, it sure does. So, I haven't tried the mashes. I'm going to try the mashes. It worked. Success. 2 thumbs up on the match.
Turkey nuggets.
Mm.
It's a weird one.
So, we have here my canteen cup from, I think these were French canteens. I can't even remember anymore. I got these for my Italian Mountain rucksack. And they worked out really good, so we have one of their cups.
Because, you know, with the rucksack, you can definitely make it to the Italian mountains from Arizona.
Absolutely, you can do it from here. I can do it when our coffee gets cold. So, here's the coffee. We're going to give this a shot.
Mmm, chunky coffee.
Hey, June. See how wonderful this is.
Horrible? I don't want to try it after that face.
That's just terrible.
Awesome.
That doesn't come close to any good
Oh,
coffee
that
I've ever tasted.
smells terrible. It's literally, it smells like shoe leather mixed with like garbage water. Like just like the water that collects at the bottom of a garbage can.
We could put that on the tires. Keep shiny and black.
Ooh.
But that is not even close.
Only 10 minutes, right?
Yeah. What's the matter? Not hot? That was warm.
Feel right here.
That was. Holy Lord in heaven, that's hot as hell.
Yeah. That was like, because I grabbed down here, and down here is fine. You can grab down here.
Squeeze that food out.
Yeah.
Move that food around in there a little bit. Yeah, let that sit back in there for a minute. That's really, that's really hot.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm definitely getting warm meals, that's for
Now I know
sure.
why they gave me the cardboard sleeve for it, because.
Yeah, you couldn't hold that or...
You tried. Squish it around and keep it all hot. That might be the best thing of the whole thing.
Yeah.
Gee.
No, it's just not pleasant. Oh, this looks
Chili
weird.
mac.
That's a good one.
Alright, you ready?
Ready as we'll ever be. Sorry, troops. It's better. It's definitely a lot saltier, which honestly really helps it.
Dead man walking. Yep.
Yeah.
The spices really help. Yeah.
What do you think if we put a little bit of this cheese in there?
Good. Squeeze it. Okay.
Cake looks and smells pretty good.
I'll get better without the cheese.
Better without?
Definitely got a lot more flavor. Definitely got a lot more flavor though, right?
I can feel the heartburn already. I mean, for what it is, it's not bad.
No. So, I could tolerate it. I'd rather eat that than starve.
Yeah, one more.
Good. Oh, very good.
Oh yeah.
That's in there.
That was super light.
Very tasty.
Mm.
So the mac and cheese, chili mac and cheese, better with the salt and spices. Very bland.
I give it like a 5 out of 10.
Yeah. I think the heat element, it warmed it up. It was far from being hot though.
Yeah, it was, and that may have been our you know,
Oh, no.
we may not have had it sitting quite right, or you know.
So we will experiment with that further with other MREs that we
Oh,
plan
yeah.
to do.
Lots of different
Lots of
flavors.
different MREs to try. So the cracker was good. The cake was good.
Yeah.
The cheese and crackers wasn't bad. The Skittles were.
I said the only I would love the cheese and crackers if it wasn't for the jalapeno.
Yeah.
Like
Just a regular cheese,
I'd give them
sharp
like
cheese.
I'd give them like an 8 out of 10
Yeah.
if it was just a regular sharp cheese.
Thanks for watching, right?
Yeah, thanks for joining us again.
We'll be back with more MREs
Yeah, we're definitely gonna be buying
and food testing.
quite a few more. Yeah, lots of food testing, cooking. You guys know we're doing a little bit of everything.
I mean, phone's ringing. We gotta go.
Thanks, Colin. I gotta go, guys.
Bye.
Later.